universe sees it all.
Hi, and welcome everyone. A very interesting subject, not one that I even wanted to pay any attention to, but they're out there. And when do I notice these things? Well, when I'm focused in on the moon or watching a plane go by, right? And I zoom in and then I slow down the footage, and with luck, but often enough, I can see these things. Around here, especially right now, these past few weeks, they're flying around, these rods again. So I just caught two of them for the first time together. And I'm telling you guys, they are so fast, they are near impossible to see. They are impossible to see unless you slow it down, pass off for a bug, or of course, whatever distance, these objects are at. Again, that's why it's important to document the characteristics of these objects. It's not a common object that you see flying by, right? We see birds, we see insects, and they flail around, and they don't really fly in straight lines, and they buzz around slowly. But when you slow down your footage, without a doubt, you'll find a lot of things flying around. Maybe not everybody, but as for me, I see so many things. Now look at this rod flying by. I'm going to show you two other moments that I got it, and the one that I got right during the eclipse, the exact day of the eclipse. Outside there were some small aircraft and planes that were flying by here. So again, leave your opinion if it's not interesting to you. I call it rod because it was already nicknamed a rod, but it's a flying stick. There's no two ways about it.
Here are geese in Canada flying by, and we clearly see a drone going by, and on top of it, that rod or drone has lights on it, and what seems even come off of it. Did you see that? Let's see it again. Keep watching, and I'll slow it down. There you have it. You just saw the lights leaving the object, literally. This channel showing things in my area that it just so happens I'm lucky enough to see alien technology or foreign adversarial countries in the area of Canada. This is a serious situation. The governments are keeping this top secret, hush hush, because of national security. And here, myself, I'm able to get all of these captures. There's not enough viewers. Keep coming back.